Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, and this is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. I recently asked Maruchan, those are the people who make the ramen noodle soup and the instant lunch, about a couple varieties that I've seen on their site and online that I've never seen anywhere else, and asked if they could send me some, and I'm guessing that's what's in here. So let's crack it open and take a look. Yep. Wow, so it looks like they sent a few different things. The thing that I was most curious about were these Maruchan Instant Lunch Select. And there's a hot and spicy chicken and then a non-spicy chicken. It's kind of funny because when I made my foray into the instant noodle market, my product was called the Ramen Raider Select. So hey, you know, the fact that they're calling theirs Select makes me think maybe, you know, I went the right route with that word. I mean, they're a big company, so cool. Unfortunately, my product did not work. It was a big, horrible, I won't even go into it, but we'll see how this is. Thanks. And then they sent me a couple of these ramen bowls. This is, let's see, hot and spicy shrimp flavor. Yeah, I think I've seen these bowls before, but I've seen the ones that were just in a different packaging. So this might be the same, but a new packaging for it. And then they sent me this. It's a bowl. This is cool. Thank you. They always send me, I don't get samples from them super often because honestly they don't come out with brand new stuff all the time, but when they do and they think of me, they are always really nice, so I appreciate it. A couple of chopsticks, and yeah, look at that. That's cool. Wow. And it's instant lunch. You're gonna have to put a couple instant lunches into there to fill it up, but you know, they sent me a bunch of them, so maybe when I do the reviews, I'll just do 2 and I'll make it fill up and use this bowl. That's cool. Well, cool. Thank you very much for sending this over. I know there's been some confusion about Maruchan and them at Walmart and all that, and if they're still around. I'm going to tell you right now that I can guarantee you 100% Maruchan in the USA is not going anywhere. They're an institution. They're big, so they're not going anywhere. So don't worry about that. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.